Why is a solar storm like a massive burp? The answer lies inside the Sun, nearly 150 million kilometers from Earth. A violent eruption shoots massive amounts of plasma into space. The plasma is basically gas, but it's filled with ions and produces an electric charge. The Sun needs to get rid of its gas and burps it out. Now, the plasma disturbs the Sun's magnetic field lines and creates electromagnetic rays, as well as charged particles. These particles collide with the upper reaches of our atmosphere, creating the incredible light we see in the sky. But then there's the rays, which can disrupt communications and satellite networks. The rays fill parts of the atmosphere with electrons, making it harder for radio waves to travel through the air. This can affect GPS navigation systems used by planes and ships. But your smartphone should be okay, because it relies on waves that don't reach that part of the atmosphere. The only snag is that solar storms can also disrupt power supply. That could affect the towers which provide your phone with signal. So, these storms can be a bit disturbing, but they are never boring. Just like a really good burp.